Marquita Leonard. I'm the founder and CEO of Bright Beginnings Credit Repair. We educate our clients on how to obtain and maintain good credit. What inspired me to start this business is I was a single mother of 2 kids who was homeless and had bad credit. So I decided that I was going to fix my credit and then help others do the same. Good credit changed my life. I started Bright Beginnings October of 2016 from my home. Now we have a headquarters in Atlanta, Georgia. We also have a location in Miami, Florida, and Los Angeles, California. Since October of 2016, we have now over 900 clients that we serve all over the world. You cannot conquer what you won't confront. So if you have been procrastinating or you know anyone who needs credit repair, please contact Bright Beginnings Credit Repair at 678-831-5553, or you can visit our website at www.brightbeginningscreditrepair.com.